This is a guide that brings together free quality resources that you can access from your own device. In this video, I'm excited to share with you resources that will give you a complete learning toolkit. These include websites that gives you free textbooks, lecture notes, study guides, and then online courses. The bonus over here is you have apps, and these apps help you to read textbooks, an app to help you prepare for your test or exam, and an app to also help you focus on your studies. And this is a complete package. The more you watch this video, the greater the benefits you get. So for the free textbooks, we have openstacks.org, and this website gives you access to various types of books. It's a non-profit organization, and not just that, there is a test bank, PowerPoint slides, and also answer guides right on this website. You can explore openstacks.org to know more about it. Another free website you can have access to textbooks is Gutenberg.org. Gutenberg library has over 70,000 free ebooks, and all you have to do is just move to the menu. To make things easier for yourself, go to search and browse and search for any topic of your choice, or any title if you know, to have access to the books. So let's move on to the lecture notes. So to the lecture notes, we start with MIT OpenCourseWare. So all you have to do is to just type ocw.mit.edu, ocw.mit.edu, and then you search. Now there are various courses here which are free, but we came here because we want lecture notes. Actually, this website gives you access to the whole course, that is the video course as well as the lecture notes. But if you are interested in just the lecture notes, you tap on menu. This course gives you access to lecture audio as well as the slides. Now it's the slides or lecture notes you need. So you scroll through, you realize that there are the slides here in PDF format as well as the audio. There are other courses that give you access to the lecture notes. So just type the course you want in the search button, and then you have related courses or the actual course. You tap on it, you tap on menu, then you select the slides or lecture notes to have access to them. So to the next website, we have the Yale courses or the Open Yale courses. So oic.yale.edu/courses, and you have some major courses we find in our various institutions. So assuming you want physics, you tap on it, you scroll down, you have season lectures giving you free access to whatever you want to study. So you move on to the syllabus, then the sessions. So you can tap on any of the sessions to have access to them. So as you have the video here, you also have the PDF or the lecture notes down here. So without your tutor, you can have access to whatever you're going to study in class, so that you can be ahead of what your tutor is going to teach. Now to the study guide. You know, the first time I heard about a study guide was from a student, and I asked what a study guide is, and the student told me that anytime he does not come to class, he goes for a study guide to catch up. A study guide is more of like a summary of whatever is going to be taught. So I went online to look for websites that give study guides for free, and I found Cliff Notes. So cliffnotes.com. You know, if you've not used a study guide before, you are missing out. I would urge you to go for study guides on whatever topic you are studying. So economics, for example, you would have concise notes on various topics. So economics, demand, supply, elasticity. So I tap on it, and I want to have summarized, concise but comprehensive notes. I tap on demand. The notes are very short but has all the keywords and everything you need to understand. So when you miss a class or anything, just go on cliffnotes.com, search or go specifically to the topic, and then you would have concise notes where you didn't have to spend so much time reading a whole lot of examples, but go straight to the point. This can also help students who want to catch up for an exam. So to the final, but remember there is a bonus, which is the online courses. So the next on my list is Coursera.org. Coursera.org. So you can join for free, take various courses. Now you see, I advise students that anytime they go on vacation, they should take these courses so that they can be ahead. So when you get to school, you don't find yourself behind when whatever the lecturer is giving you, whatever the teacher is teaching you, you are not getting it. Just take these courses right for free. It's free learning. The next one on my list is futurelearn.com. Futurelearn.com is also like Coursera. You have free courses on how to improve yourself, business. You can see gardening for beginners, beyond the basics, and so on. And all these courses are trusted. These are not just courses that are substandard. And the last one I'll talk about on online courses is edX. edX.org. edX is basically like Coursera and FutureLearn. Okay, so that is it for the main things I wanted to offer to you in this video. Now let's go to the apps, which is the bonus part of this video. And the bonus part of this video is as important as the real part of this video, because they supplement whatever you are going to be using, the main things you got from this video. So this is the first app I'll be talking about, which is NCERT Books. NCERT Books, NCERT Books. So without saying much, let's just go straight to it. So I tap on the first one here. Now when you look through from classes 1 to class 12, you would find different topics on subjects. Now this is for those in India, so if you're not in India, kindly go through the classes to find where the subjects you do and then the topics are. So I tap on class 11. So assuming I'm doing mathematics, I tap on mathematics, and there are different topics here. So if I don't find my topic, I just move to another class to find it. So assuming I want to do binomial theorem, over here you can't view whatever you want in the app. You have to download the PDF. So I tap on basic PDF viewer, I allow, I download the file. So I open with the app. It has an inbuilt PDF reader. So binomial theorem there. So it's a comprehensive note on whatever topic you choose, but there are questions behind it. So you can go through any of them that you want, any of the topics, any of the subjects, to get what you want. Now to the next app. Now this is a test taking app called Quizzes, and it's for free. So I'm here for school, so I can either log in or sign up, or choose not to log in but still have access to whatever I want. I love Quizzes because it's very easy to use and not restrictive. So assuming I want to do inequality, so I tap on it. There are questions here, so I can either practice or challenge friends, and you can see the interface. So play quiz, so it loads, very colorful and entertaining. So while you are learning, it's more of like you are playing. So I tried screen recording the quiz, but I wasn't given the opportunity. So I believe it's because while you are working, you should be free from distractions. Okay, so to the next app. So this is the Pomodoro Lite app, and Pomodoro Lite app, I remember when I was finding it difficult to focus because of a lot of distractions from my friends and from the apps that I was using on my phone. I got the opportunity to know about Pomodoro and the Pomodoro app. So what the Pomodoro app does is very simple. It gives you the opportunity to add your task, whatever you are doing. So assuming you are learning maths, you save, and then now when you start, what happens is you have 25 minutes to focus fully on whatever you are studying, and then the app will give you 5 minutes to rest. After the 5 minutes, you get back onto the Pomodoro app. So basically, Pomodoro app helps you to train yourself to focus, and after some time you realize that you don't need the app again to focus, because you have trained yourself to focus on whatever task you are doing. Because of technology, we always have divided attention, but when you begin to use the Pomodoro app, what happens is you help yourself to focus. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned anything new, kindly comment in the comment section, and if you want to know more about how to study, kindly click on the video floating on the screen.